So less than 4. Okay, so less than 4, and it's supposed to be larger than 4 millimeter. So it's time to replace the disc. This is the new disc. This is the new disc, and I also want to replace the brake pad. If you see, so that's not much left for the thickness. So let's change the disc and the pad. Not sure if you can see, but if the disc is new, you will get about 5 millimeter of thickness. So you want to clean this part as much as you can, because after this you have to push the piston back into the I don't know what to call this. make sure everything are aligned. So slowly and gently we turn the G clamp. Okay. So when you do this, the brake fluid will return back to the reservoir. So make sure the fluid is not overflown. So if you have about overflowing fluid, then you have to open the cap and remove some amount of fluid. So the factory use thread locker, the red one, so I will also use that. don't know why, but the surface is somehow wavy. I don't know why. The factory installed one is made by Sunstar, but this one I don't know who made it, but hopefully it can be used. So I will torque all the bolts, okay, and you should use a torque wrench. Okay guys, this is the place is messy now, okay, because after I fitted the rear wheel and everything. Okay, I want to test the brake. Okay, and during the second strike, uh, the, the pressure is lost. Okay, the pressure is lost. The pressure is lost at the master cylinder. Okay, I try to bleed the system and nothing happened. So I come to this stage, and I dismantle the lever from the push pin. Okay, and you see when I pushing it upward, nothing coming from the top. Okay, there's no pressure, nothing. So I think I have broken the rubber inside the master cylinder, and now I have to figure out how to replace that rubber. Okay, so the thing is, this is what I just found out. Okay, I can move the push pin, okay, but I think you can see, okay, the piston inside doesn't move. So it doesn't move, so it's stuck. Okay, so it's stuck. So what I've been doing until now is just moving push pin, okay, without realizing that the piston inside that is stuck all the time. Now I want to push it with screwdriver to see if it can move. It cannot move at all. Okay, that's it. Okay, now I think the piston is back. So I got it back. But I cannot go to the max. If I go to the max, it will stuck again. Okay, if I go to the max, it will stuck again. Now I have pressure. Let's test it. Yes, now I have pressure. Okay, so that's the reason. So definitely this is not normal, but I in kind of in a hurry, so I will not rebuild the master cylinder today. I will reassemble everything back, and to see if the brake can work. Alright guys, after putting back everything, okay, the brake is solid now, and I think it can work for a while. I don't know for how long, until the rubber inside the master cylinder will fail. So this will be my maybe perhaps in the future project. rebuilding the master cylinder, and then the rest new pads, new this. So that's what I managed to accomplish today. So thanks for watching.